Hey, in this video, we're going to show you how to move form registration data from getleadforms.com directly into your LeadByte campaign. For purpose of this demo, we are assuming that you know Get Lead Forms as a tool better than us. We've gone through their documentation on how to submit data using a webhook. And so this video serves as a bit of a shortcut for you to get that set up on your side. Their documentation is great, so you can always circumnavigate your way around their product information. What we've done is we've added this form to a landing page. So this is the form data that we're going to submit. So full name, email, and a telephone number. And that will be submitted into a demo LeadByte account. So what we're taking you through here are the points that you need to do to get your form submitting data to LeadByte. So as you edit this form, the first thing you need to do once you've set up your form is if you go to the lead delivery, there is an option here called webhook settings. You need to put in your LeadByte lead submission URL. So that is your account name and the campaign ID that you're submitting to. In this instance, we're actually submitting a supplier ID that's not required on your side. So, the second point is that you need to have the format and type as form data for this. So that's the first thing that you need to do. Once you've done that, if you go to the steps, this is where you now need to map the fields that you're collecting on your form with the field names against your campaign in LeadByte. Again, this is just full name, email, and phone, but it should serve you with the information that you need on how to do that. So if you go to steps and you see all the form fields here, if you click edit, what you can then do is scroll down and you will see the option here called webhook settings. If you click on that, this is where you can add in the field name, the LeadByte field name that you want to post this field data to. So it's asking here your full name. We have a field called full name, so that's what we type out there. And the webhook field value is a string. So the same for email address. If you click on email address, where are we here? The field in LeadByte is email. So there's the field name there, email. And then the same with phone. Now you may be familiar that we have the field names phone 1, 2, and 3. And we want to submit this data into phone 1. So we type in phone 1 there, and again, it's a string. You can save the step, and once you publish your form, you'll be able to test this. So I'm just going to take you through this now. If we just refresh this, let's do David Smith test at LeadByte. Okay. And if we click submit, so that data has now been submitted into Get Lead Forms. You should be able to see that data in Get Lead Forms, but more importantly, if we now go to LeadByte, if I just refresh this lead screen here is David Smith. So it's gone into the campaign demo 1. We've tagged the supplier Facebook to it. That was the SID value that we hard coded in that request. And if we click on David Smith here, we should see the details. So we've got the email, the full name, first and last name, the opt-in URL, which comes in from Get Lead Form. And that's all the data that we submitted. So that is how you can submit data directly from Get Lead Forms into LeadByte.